What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It is that time again where I am servicing my front wheel drive drag build, and nothing really went wrong, well, apart from the car having a crash yesterday. I know made me realize that for the front of the car I decided to put some black tape at the front, but you'll see when the car is back up. But these things are a must for these type of builds, that at least when it does crash, or even for a while now you've been running numerous amount of pulls on it, it will be important to pull it down and check what's on the inside, clean out the gearbox, because small residue and stone get inside of it. So this is just the part one of getting it pulled down. I will be showing my gearbox and stuff, and the outcome of how it looks and stuff like that. Since I've been making pulls on the sweep slicks, in which naturally these tires are for the Formula 1 cars. So stay tuned. I'll be opening up the gearbox soon, and you guys can get a look at it. So for those now who have these models, and you see the different type of gearbox assembly, I should say diff assembly, I would now say that it's safe to say that you can go ahead and get these type of diffs to run in your car. You can go on rcmark.com. These are cheaper. They're $14 for this differential right here. It's just basically the aluminum ends to put the axles in, but you have to buy the gears separate, which are the reinforced gears that I'm also running inside of the car, and those were, I think, $6. So in total you're not even spending $35 to get this differential setup, and it's actually holding true to almost anything that I throw at it. However, you have to make sure that when you're making pulls with these type of cars, that you have an extremely prepped surface that you're running it on, because what happens is that every time it hits a stone, it does this, right? However, when it does this to this, when it hits the stone, it also expands this, or sometimes even break the diff on the inside. So it end up being wobbly, and that's going to cause a lot of vibration, and you're going to lose power there as well. So it's not safe to say that you can go ahead and do this type of upgrade instead of spending, I think it's $45 for the bigger diff that another YouTuber on YouTube was talking about getting. And it's a smaller diff, way lighter than the other one that they have selling. So I think that this one would be a better buy. It's lighter, which means that you can transfer power quicker. So yeah, that is it. I'll be following up with part 2 later on, to show you guys what the gearbox looks like. This will be my second time pulling down the car since I've gotten it, which is pretty good, considering the amount of time that I've driven the car and done so much to it and with it. So like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned. There'll be more to come.